Robust digital expert enthusiasts.
Hey, digital enthusiasts! Welcome back to the Robust Digital Expert channel, your go-to digital cafeteria for developing top-notch skills. If you're hungry for career growth and ready to unlock a realm of opportunities, you're in the right place. And hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things digital. At Robust Digital Expert, we're not just experts, we're your digital companions. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your digital skills, we've got a spot for you. No need to be a guru, everyone's welcome. Whether your goal is to be a business analyst, project manager, data scientist, or delve into artificial intelligence, we've curated over 130 possibilities for you. But it's not just about learning, it's about real-world application. Our live digital projects and work experiences immerse you in the challenges you'll conquer. And guess what? It's not all serious business. We've sprinkled in masterclasses on self-love, mindset mastery, and personal development because we believe a holistic approach leads to true success. Ready to embark on a brighter future? Head to our website, link in the description, for more details and secure your spot in the Virtual Mentoring Academy. Don't miss out on this life-changing experience. Join us, where digital dreams become reality. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.
The title of the playlist.
The Business Analyst Acronyms and Glossary.
The title of today's episode.
MSW. Microsoft Solutions Workshop.
The table of content.
Table of contents. Definition. We start by providing a clear and concise definition of the acronym or glossary term, highlighting its significance in the field. Origin. We discuss the origin or source of the acronym or glossary term, providing relevant background information or historical context to help you understand how it emerged. Detailed explanation. Here, we offer a thorough explanation of the acronym or glossary term, breaking it down into its constituent parts and explaining the meaning behind each element. We elaborate on any specific terminology or concepts associated with the term. Relevance to the field. We explain why the acronym or glossary term is essential and relevant. We discuss how it addresses a specific need, solves a common challenge, or represents a key concept within the discipline. Usage. We describe how the acronym or glossary term is used in practice. We explain the scenarios or contexts in which it is commonly employed and how it contributes to the field. Examples of application. We provide two concrete examples that demonstrate the practical application of the acronym or glossary term. We explain how it is utilized in these scenarios and the benefits it brings. In summary, we summarize the acronym or glossary term, offering a brief and concise overview that allows you to understand it quickly. Definition.
Microsoft Solutions Workshop, MSW, is a collaborative, structured workshop facilitated by Microsoft or certified professionals, designed to assist organizations in exploring, understanding, and planning the implementation of Microsoft solutions. It is significant in business analysis as it helps stakeholders align their goals with technology solutions, ensuring that the project outcomes align with business needs.
Origin.
Microsoft initiated MSW as part of its suite of professional services aimed at enhancing customer experience with Microsoft technologies. The concept emerged to address the need for a structured, hands-on workshop format that could help businesses and stakeholders gain in-depth insights into Microsoft solutions and plan for successful implementation tailored to their organizational goals.
Detailed explanation.
Collaborative environment. MSW provides a collaborative setting where Microsoft experts work with an organization's stakeholders to discuss potential solutions, clarify goals, and understand specific needs. This environment encourages open dialogue and knowledge sharing. Focused on solution exploration. The workshop typically focuses on exploring various Microsoft solutions in depth, addressing how these can solve specific business challenges, streamline operations, or enhance productivity. Planning and alignment. MSW helps in planning the implementation of Microsoft solutions in alignment with the business's strategic goals. It ensures that the technology adoption roadmap is clear and feasible, supporting long-term success. Hands-on demonstrations and prototyping. During the workshop, there may be hands-on demonstrations or quick prototyping sessions to give stakeholders a better understanding of how the solutions would work in their specific contexts, allowing them to make informed decisions.
Relevance to the field.
Helps in requirement gathering. MSW is a valuable tool for business analysts to gather and clarify requirements directly from stakeholders, aligning technology solutions with business objectives. Supports strategic decision-making. The workshop enables decision-makers to understand the potential impact of Microsoft solutions on business processes, aiding in strategic planning and decision-making. Reduces implementation risks. By providing a structured, exploratory approach to solution implementation, MSW helps organizations identify potential challenges early, reducing risks associated with technology adoption.
Usage.
Pre-implementation planning. MSW is commonly used before implementing new Microsoft solutions to ensure that the project is aligned with business goals and that stakeholders understand the technology's capabilities and limitations. Training and familiarization. The workshop also serves as a training tool, familiarizing key team members with Microsoft solutions, which can enhance user adoption post-implementation. Assessing solution fit. Organizations use MSW to evaluate if a Microsoft solution fits their business requirements and identify any customizations or adjustments needed to optimize the solution for their specific needs.
Examples of application.
Exploring Microsoft Dynamics 365 implementation. An organization considering Microsoft Dynamics 365 for CRM and ERP solutions conducts an MSW. The workshop allows stakeholders to understand how Dynamics 365 can support customer relationship management and streamline business operations, helping the business decide on customization and integration requirements. Planning a cloud migration with Azure. A company planning to migrate its on-premises infrastructure to Azure uses MSW to explore Azure's capabilities, understand potential migration challenges, and develop a roadmap for phased cloud adoption. This helps align cloud migration with business continuity and cost optimization strategies.
In summary,
Microsoft Solutions Workshop, MSW, is a structured, collaborative workshop that aids organizations in exploring and planning the implementation of Microsoft solutions. It provides a platform for open discussions, solution exploration, and strategic alignment with business goals. MSW is highly beneficial in requirement gathering, pre-implementation planning, and risk mitigation, ensuring that Microsoft technologies are effectively adopted to achieve optimal business outcomes.
make a difference by giving.
Thank you for being a part of our community across the Sure word for today. Start here with Jefferson, and robust digital expert. Your support is invaluable to us. By buying us a virtual coffee, you're helping us continue to produce content that inspires, educates, and empowers, making a difference in the lives of others. Together, we can make a difference and reach even more people. Thank you for your generosity and for believing in our mission. Make a difference today by clicking the link in the description. Thank you for watching and listening.
Thank you for being part of our YouTube journey on the Robust Digital Expert YouTube channel. We appreciate your support and encourage you to subscribe to our channel for unique educational content. You'll never miss the latest updates, new playlists, and exciting content by subscribing. Join our community of learners and professionals and gain access to a wealth of knowledge. We value your feedback, so please comment on our videos and let us know what topics you'd like us to explore. Subscribe to the Robust Digital Expert YouTube channel and embark on an exciting journey of knowledge and exploration. Thank you, and we look forward to having you as a valuable member of our community.